yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Randy, and today I am super excited to do this video because I am reacting to one of my favorite fragrances of all time, and that is Azzaro's The Most Wanted. If you don't know who Azzaro is, he's the creator of chrome fragrances that people have known for such a long time. Then they came out with the original Wanted, which is more of like an Invictus. It's a citrusy scent. Then they came out with one of the best bang for your buck fragrances, which is Azzaro's Wanted by Night, which is my signature fall and cold weather scent. Then they came out with Wanted Tonic, which I think is discontinued and it was terrible, so I don't really care. Then they came out with this, and I blind bought it, and I'm not sorry that I did. The box and the bottle are a matte black to a gloss with the revolver style on top. And then on the bottom, you have your batch code, which is 91U2003. This is an Eau de Parfum Intense, they say. I have the 100 milliliter bottle. They also have a 200 milliliter bottle. So I want to waste a spray here for you. Let that dry down for a second. I just want to beware, it has a really nice atomizer, but beware if you're buying on eBay, they do have screw-off atomizers, which makes it easier to fake. So the note breakdown for this is a 3-note breakdown. A lot of designers are going that route so they don't give away too much to clone companies, which is understandable, especially for great fragrances like this. The top note is a cardamom, the mid note is toffee, and the base note is amber. So without further ado, I'm going to give you my thoughts on it exactly. Off the opening, what you get is you get a mix of a heavy amount of cardamom starting out, which is a nice freshness. And then you have a slight mix of toffee and amber. So it's a semi-sweet, warm, fresh opening. Then about 15 or 20 seconds go by and the toffee kicks you in the ass. It is not a overpowering or horrible. It is an amazing toffee note that just pushes the cardamom in the back. It mixes with that amber to create this warm, spicy, sensual toffee. The toffee is not artificial or synthetic. It smells like if you were melting caramel in the kitchen, and then you add maybe a little bit of cinnamon or something in it and like some melted butter, put them all together. It is very gourmand. It is not unisex. I would say it's a gourmand masculine scent that leans definitely masculine. I'm gonna get this out of the way first. People have said that it reminds them of Stronger With You Intensely, which it does not. So get that out of your head if that's what you were thinking. That scent is more nutty compared to this, which is more creamy and warm. And also that one can only be worn in the winter and fall, and this can be worn all year round. So back to the fragrance itself. What I really like about this fragrance is the toffee is amazing, yes. Mixing with that amber to make it warm, spicy, creamy. Yes, I love that. But the thing I like the most is that the cardamom doesn't disappear. It stays in the background, providing that freshness that allows you to wear this as a signature scent all year round, warm weather, cold weather. It is a date night beast. It is a compliment puller. It projects, if you're one of those people that like to smell yourself hours after spraying, no matter how many sprays you put on, I smell myself 3-4 hours after I put this on, easy. It projects probably 3 to 4 feet for about the same amount of time. And the longevity on it, because it is an Eau de Parfum Intense, it lives up to that name, and it goes about 8 to 10 hours on skin, and definitely a lot more on your shirt. The freshness from that cardamom is not overpowering, but it makes it, and it mixes so nicely that you can wear it at any time. I wear it at home. I even say you can wear it at work. You just have to dial the sprays back a little bit. It is a nice, multi-versatile scent that can be worn pretty much anywhere. It is a date night, club, going out beast for sure, and probably aims more towards that. But if I had to put it in perspective, not the way that these smell, but the type of scents they are, Armani Code Profumo, Valentino Uomo Yellow Dream, and Dolce & Gabbana The One. The reason because all three of them have this sweet yet fresh scent, which is exactly what this does in a much better way than the other three. Even though I like those, this one is a lot better. Again, you can wear it in spring, summer, fall, winter. It is an amazing, my favorite top 2 fragrances that I own. And I hate saying this, but it is probably the only fragrance that I own out of the 61 bottles that I can say, if you like sweet fragrances or gourmand fragrances, buy this as a blind buy. If you don't want a blind buy, they have them at every Ulta, Sephora. Just go try it out. But you won't be disappointed if you do blind buy it. It's one of the best fragrances out there. What I do have to say is that right now it's about $80, $90. It probably will drop down to the $50 range like Wanted by Night eventually. So if you want to wait, that will be a heck of a steal once they get to there. I hope it stays out there. I hope it gets picks up traction and gets a lot more sales, because I want this to stay out there forever. It is probably my favorite scent. But if you guys like this type of content and you want any more like this, please give me a like and a subscribe, and I'd greatly appreciate it. If you want to send me any of your collections to roast or to make a video of, I'll put my email into the description. And if you can comment, that'd be great. But thank you very much. Have a great day.